Welcome to my channel, that is English with Palaisa. Today we have to discuss our translation. Okay, before going to translation, we have to discuss what is the difference between present perfect and past simple. Then past simple and past perfect. Let us discuss one by one. Look at this, present perfect. Present means বর্তমান, perfect মানে সম্পূর্ণ, অর্থাৎ অতীতের আরম্ভ হয়েছে, বর্তমান সম্পূর্ণ হয়েছে। An action or event started in the past but completed in the present. Okay, look at the example. ମୁଁ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖାଇଅଛି, I have taken food. Here ଖାଇଅଛି, that is the completed, and that is here ছি, that is related to present. I have taken food, অতীতের আরম্ভ হয়ে বর্তমান সরিছি। Started in the past and completed in the past. অতীতের আরম্ভ হয়ে অতীতের সরি যাইছি, অর্থাৎ ମୁଁ ଖାদ্ୟ ଖାଇଲି, this is law here, ଖାଇଲି, it is started in the past and completed in the past. I took food, this is V2 form, and here have and has we can, it is V3. Okay, past perfect, this is also started in the past and completed in the past. অতীতের আরম্ভ হয়ে অতীতের সরি যাইছি। I had taken food. But my dear students, you remember, we cannot write down this sentence individually. It is always depends on clauses. Okay, let us discuss one by one. Let us discuss first present perfect. What is the structure? Subject plus has plus have plus B3 form. Okay, for example, ମୁଁ କବିତାଟିଏ ଲେଖି ଅଛି, I have written a poem. Okay, next another example. Ottu asked Mitu, have you visited Konark? তুমি কোণার্ক দেখিছ? মিতু আনসার, yes, I have visited. ମୁଁ ଦେଖିছি, অর্থাৎ সে সাঙ্গে সাঙ্গে ଦେଖିଛି, অর্থাৎ সে অতু যেତେବେଳେ পଚାରିଛି କିଛି ସମୟ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସେ ଦେଖି ସାରିଛି, କିମ୍ବା ତାର ଦେଖିବାର সময়টা বেশি সময় ହୋଇନାହିଁ। The teacher asked Sonu, অর্থাৎ শিক্ষক সোনুକୁ পଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି, what have you done from morning to evening today? ଆଜି ସକାଳୁ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଯାକେ ତମେ କ'ଣ କରିଛ? Sonu answered that, yes, I have washed my clothes this morning. Then he said, I have watched a cricket match on TV. That means ସେ present perfect ସବୁ ଆନ୍ସର ଦବ। ସକାଳୁ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଯାକେ ଯାହା ତମେ କରିବ, ତମକୁ ଯଦି କିଏ ପଚାରିଲା ତାହେଲେ ତମେ କୋଉଥିରେ କରିବ? ନା present perfect ରେ। Okay, then another question, the teacher asked, have you seen Sipun? Yes, I have seen him recently, or today, this morning, or this evening. Okay, टाइम एडवर्ब व्यवहार कर जाउछि, जो एडवर्ब फल तुमको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट करिया को बाध्य, सच लाइक द एडवर्ब्स आर recently, today, this morning, this evening, this year, this week. Okay, another example, I have done a lot of work today. This is present perfect. But this sentence, I did a lot of work yesterday, यह होची simple past, এটা होची present perfect. Difference কোন? This is yesterday, this is today. Today is time adverb, যদি today বসাইবো তাহলে present perfect কর, যদি yesterday বসাইবো তাহলে simple past রে করিବାକୁ পড়িব। ঠিক আছে, यार अर्थ ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଅନେକ କାମ କରିଛି, यार अर्थ ମୁଁ ଗତକାଲି ଅନେକ କାମ କରିଥିଲି। ଡବଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଇଜ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ ଟୁ ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ। यार अर्थ ମୁଁ ଗତକାଲି ଅନେକ କାମ କରିଥିଲି, ଗତକାଲି ଗୋଟେ ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ, ଗତକାଲି ମଧ୍ୟ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଏବଂ କରିଥିଲି ମଧ୍ୟ ପାଷ୍ଟ, ଦୁଇଟି ଯାକ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଯଦି ରହିବ ତାହେଲେ ଆମକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇକି ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ଓକେ, ଲୁକ୍ ଆଟ୍ ଦ another example. Sneha has lived here. That means she still lives here. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଅଛି, ଅତୀତରେ ବାସ କରିଥିଲା, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମଧ୍ୟ କରୁଛି ଏବଂ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିବ। It is started in the past, continue present, then continue future. ठीक है। Next, Lisa lived here. This is simple past, but not present. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେଠାରେ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ, ଅତୀତରେ ବାସ କରୁଥିଲା, ହୁଏତ ସେ ମରିଯାଇଥାଇପାରେ, ନଚେତ ଅନ୍ୟ କୋଉଠିକି ଯାଇଥାଇପାରେ। Okay, but another two sentences here, look at. She has lived here for 4 years. She has lived here since 4 years. This is two preposition. 4 years amount of time. Here specific time, ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ତାରିଖ କିମ୍ବା ମସିହା। ଏଠି କିନ୍ତୁ amount of time, କିଛି ବର୍ଷ ପାଇଁ, 4 ବର୍ଷ ପାଇଁ, 3 ମାସ ପାଇଁ, 10 ମାସ ପାଇଁ। Another example, look at this. It is the first time I have visited Konak. This is due to first time. It is ordinal number. Okay, it is the first time. यह मोर प्रथम थर मु कोणार्क बुलीछि। Next, this is the only book I have written. This is important. यह एकमात्र बही जहाँकि मु लिखिछि। Another, Puri is the best place. Superlative degree. Okay, I have seen. In this, यहाँ अनुजाई हमको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट करिया को पड़िबो। ओके, यूज ऑफ सम एडवर्ब्स, जस्ट, हार्डली, ऑलरेडी, एट, एवर, नेवर। ओके, एग्जांपल, I have just completed my tax. Like that, he has already completed his tax. Okay, another example to know, Bono asked to Bilas, have you ever been to Mumbai? Bilas, yes, I have ever been to Mumbai. No, I have never been to Mumbai. Bilas, has Atu gone to Mumbai? No, yes, Atu has gone to Mumbai. That means he has not come back yet. Okay, for example, Navin Patnaik has written 2 books. Jamin Patnaik wrote 2 books. What is the difference? This is alive. Navin Patnaik is alive, Bonchit. But here, Jani Patnaik is not alive, dead. Okay? ଏଭଳିଆ ମୃତ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆମେ ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ କରିବା, ବଞ୍ଚିଥିବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆମେ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ କରିବା। ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ। Example, I took food, subject hala subject plus V2. The event or state occurred before the present moment, the speaker or the writer has in mind the specific time when the event occurred. Like that example, I mean example नहीं जाई परियो। Mother asked Sonu, what did you do yesterday? तमे गतकाली कौन करथिलो? Sonu answered, I went to school yesterday. I completed my tax. एई परि भाबरे से आंसर दबो अतीत घटना। Okay, another example I would like to say you, India got freedom in 1947. ଅତୀତରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଅତୀତରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏକ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଟାଇମରେ ସରି ଯାଇଥିଲା। ତେଣୁ ଆମକୁ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଭାବରେ ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟରେ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ଆମେ କହିଦେଇ ପାରିବା ଭାରତ 1947 ମସିହାରେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ପାଇଥିଲା। ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ହାଡ୍ ଗଟ୍ ଫ୍ରିଡମ ହବ ନାହିଁ, କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଠି ଦୁଇଟି ପାଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି, 1947 ଗୋଟେ ଏବଂ ପାଇଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ। ତେଣୁ ଦୁଇଟି ଏକ ପାଷ୍ଟକୁ ଆମେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବା ତାକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟରେ କରିବା। ଠିକ ଅଛି। ଦେନ୍ ଆନଦର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ, ହି କିଲ୍ଡ ଏ ସ୍ନେକ୍। ଏଠି ଟାଇମ ମେନସନ କରାଯାଇନି, ଅର୍ଥାତ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏହା ଅତୀତରେ ଘଟିଛି। ଦେନ୍ ହି ଲିଭଡ୍ ଇନ୍ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଫର 4 years। ସେ 4 ବର୍ଷ ଧରି ରହିଥିଲା। ମାଇ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡଫାଦର ସ ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ। ୱାନ୍ସ ଅପନ୍ ଏ ଟାଇମ୍ ଏହା ଘଟିଥିଲା, ଥରେ ଏହା ଘଟିଥିଲା। ଦେନ୍ ମଦର ନେଭର ଡ୍ରାଙ୍କ ଟି ଇନ୍ ହର ୟୁଥ୍। ଏହା ଅତୀତର ହାବିଚୁଆଲ ଆକ୍ସନକୁ ବୁଝେଇଲେ ଆମେ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସରେ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, ଆଇ ପ୍ଲେଡ୍ କ୍ରିକେଟ ହ୍ୱେନ୍ ଦ ଟିଚର କେମ୍ ଇନ୍। ଯେତେବେଳେ ସାର୍ ଆସିଲେ ଖେଳିଲେ। ଆଇ ପ୍ଲେଡ୍ କ୍ରିକେଟ ହ୍ୱେନ୍ ଦ ଟିଚର କେମ୍ ଇନ୍। ଏହା ମଧ୍ୟ କ୍ଲଜରେ କଲାବେଳେ ଆମେ ଏକକାଳୀନ ଗୋଟେ ଆକ୍ସନ ଘଟିଲା ବେଳେ ଟାଇମ ଆଡଭର୍ବରେ ଦୁଇଟି ଏକ ଆକ୍ସନ ଏକ ସମୟରେ ଘଟୁଥିଲାରୁ ଆମେ ପାଷ୍ଟ ସିମ୍ପଲ କରିବା। Then if I had wings I would fly in the sky. याको if clause रे मध्य simple past रे काम करि परिबा. Then reported speech रे मध्य कर दे परिबा like he asked me where I lived. Then polite request. Could you help me? Would you lend me your book? Would you like some tea? याको मध्य में past simple रे कर दे. Another example, past perfect tense. Structure subject plus hard plus V3. Hard is auxiliary verb, V3 main verb. Okay. Example, I have taken food. ମୁଁ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖାଇଥିଲି. It is started in the past and ended in the past. किंतु आमे आपको इंडिविजुअल केबे व्यवहार करि परिबा नाही. याको आमे क्लॉज माध्यम रे व्यवहार करते परिबा. एग्जांपल, मो स्टेशन रे पहुंचला बेलकु ट्रेन टी छाड़ देतिला. गोटे एक्शन आरंभ लासु गोटे एक्शन सरी जाइतिला. Like that. The train had left before I reached the station. Another example, when we arrived at the station, the train had left. Another example, the patient had died before the doctor came in. Then, to talk about impossible or imaginary events, काल्पनिक कथा जेतला हम आलोचना करिबा सेतले मध्य ई क्लॉज रे व्यवहार दे कर दे परिया. अर्थात भी टाइप 3 रे if I had come earlier I would have got 2000 rupees note. मुझे यदि आगु आसीतांती ताहले 2000 टंका नोट पाई थांती. लास्ट इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रे मध्ये व्यवहार कर दे परिबा. He said I have completed my task. Answer, he said that he had completed his task. Generally it is the past form of present perfect. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Okay.